Hi, I'm going to demo an automation where files that are attached to updates get automatically loaded and uploaded into SharePoint from Monday.com. So let's see this. So first of all, let's just show that currently we have an automation. When an item's created, it creates a new folder in a particular SharePoint site under a particular folder. So, and this, if we just show this, task 4, we add here. We can see the automation is running. The automation is now completed. And we also have this secure embed here, and we can see that it's created this folder. And if we were to open it in SharePoint, you see an empty folder here. So the next thing that we're going to do is, what we want to do is when we write an update and add any files in here, we want that to automatically upload into SharePoint. So let's add that automation. We go to Microsoft, using this one, and it is when an update is created, copy files from the update into the configured SharePoint folder for the item. We simply just press create automation. Close that. And now when we hit on updates, we can say this is an update and add some files. So I'm going to just add couple of 3 logos here, 3 icons. You can see those, and then we hit update, and if we close this, we should see the automation starting. So the automation has completed. Now it normally takes a little while for this to upload into SharePoint, so let's have a look over here. If we select this, we've now got 2 of the 3. So if I just do a reload, we've now got the 3rd. So that's a simple way of getting any files from the updates to be loaded automatically into SharePoint. And if we just go here and go open into SharePoint, you can see that the items are there as well.